No Ssc Chsl paper number 46. Now in this paper 46, question number 26 to 50, reasoning section. Then coming to question number 26, my answer Japan. Now 8 and 89. Now 89 can be written as 8 into 11 plus 1. Now here 12 and 181. 12 and 181, 12 into 15 plus 1. Ikkademo 11 avutundi, ikkademo into 15. Then what is the relation between 8 and 11? 8 plus 3 is 11. 12 plus 3 is 15. Then 14 plus 3 is how much? 17 plus 1. 17 plus 1, 7 into 4. The last digit must be 9. 239, that is choice 2. Then 27. My 27 is your answer? Choice 4. Why did choice 4? Except choice for the remaining 3 are prime numbers. Now these 3 are prime numbers and 179, it is a composite number. Choice for question number 27. Then 28. Now 28, we need to identify the number that is opposite to 4. Now 4 ka opposite travel. Em vastundi cheppandi? Yes, what is the number that is opposite to 4? Now here, then what is the element which is common here? 2 and 5. 2 ki 5 ki common ga unnadi 3. And again ikkada 2 ki 5 ki common ga unnadi em cheppandi 3. Hence 3 must be at the bottom. Ante kada? 1 and 3 are opposite. Then coming to this one, 2, 5 and 3 and 2, 5 and 3 are the clockwise. Next one, next we need to have 1, after this one 4, next one is 6. And 1, next one to 1 is what? 4, and this will be 6. Saripenda? 1, 4 and 6 in the clockwise, 1, 4 and 6 in the clockwise. Then, and switch to our opposite to each other, 5 and 4, that is choice 2, question number 28. Then 29th one, 29 chesara. Now what is the sum of this one? And 2 plus 1, 3. And 3 plus 5, 8. 19 plus 8. 19 plus 8 is how much? 27. Plus, how much is added to get 35? 8. Why 8 is added here? Now 4 into 2. 4 into 2, 8. Fine. 4 into 2, 8 this one. Now 4 into 2, 8. Then, in the same way. Here manaki em avutundi cheppandi? Collection. What is the sum of this one collection? My collection sum chesara? Now 3 plus 15, 18 plus 12, 30, 42, 42, 47, 50, and 50 plus 20, 70, and 70 plus 9, 79, 79 plus 15, 94, plus 14, 108. Sum of the place values of these letters is 108. And 108, then, into mundu em chesam? 4 into 2. Here how many letters are there? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 20, 128 should be the number. Do you have that number? No. Then that means, no, number of letters into 2 is not working. Ante kada? Then what is the other thing we have? Make it 27 nunchi next to 8 add chestane 35 vachindi. Mari 8 enduku add chesam? Then 8 ante number of letters into 2, it's not working here. Now in this one, there are 2 vowels. Oh no, 2 vowels and this kocha? 2 vowels and 2 consonants. Now 2 vowels were there and 2 vowels and the number of letters 2 into 4, 8. Edo vidhanga mana 8 ni arrange cheyali din, isn't it? And in the same way, ikkada manaki enni unnayi cheppandi vowels? 1, 2, 3, 4 vowels. And 4 vowels and how many letters are there? 10. Total 10 letters were there. And 4 vowels into total number of letters 10. 4 into 10, 40. And 108 plus 40 and the number is 148. Saripotunda? 148. Now in general, in these type of questions, one more example should also be given. Inkoka example is appudu meeku inka clarity vastundi. Then next coming to question number 30. Ma 38 chesara? 30. 28 plus 8 is how much? 36. And sum of these two 36 is 6 square. Now 63 plus 18. 81 is 9 square. Now 94 plus something must be equals to 13 square. 13 square and Japan 169. 169 minus 94. What is the number we have? 575. Now 75, that is given in which choice? Choice 1, question number 30. Clear? The next one, 31. Now which 2 numbers should be interchanged to make the given equation correct? Then tell me what is your answer in this case. and two elements 15 and 36. Now if you interchange 15 and 36, are you getting this number or not? Make it enter 36, ikkademo 15. Now 27 divided by 15, which is chance unda? 27 divided by 15 and 36 into 27 divided by 15, then 3 5s, 3 5 మిగిలిపోయింది కాబట్టి it will be in the decimal. And coming to choice 2. Now in choice 2, 15 and 12. Now 15 and 12, 12 into 27 divided by 36. 12 into 27 and divided by 36. Now this would be 15. And minus 3 plus 15. Me put 27. 27, 9 3s, 9 4s. 4 1s, 4 3s. 9, 9 plus 15, 24 minus 3 is not equals to that one. Onagada. And this is again ruled out. Then 36 and 3. Now 36 and 3, this is 3 and this is 36. Now 15 into 27 divided by 3 minus 36 plus 12 plus 12. Now 3 1s, 3 9s. 15 into 9, 135. 135 plus 12. Saripenda? 147. Minus 36, 111. Then what is your answer? Choice 3, question number 31. Then 32nd, now non-verbal embedded figure. Now tell me which element is embedded into this? Option 1. Now where is that element? Now this is the element we are talking about. Clear? Choice 1, question number 32. Then 33, a person travels upstream. How many kilometers? 90 kilometers. In how many hours? 9 hours. Now in this upstream, what are the things that are present? Now the speed of the water stream, and again now the speed of this man as well. Sum of these two must be equals to how much? Must be equals to 90 kilometers. 90 kilometers in 9 hours. That means 90 kilometers in 9 hours means, and how many kilometers and per 1 hour? What is the total distance here? Speed is ఎంత వస్తుంది 10. Then next one, and downstream in 5 hours. Now downstream ఎందుకు వస్తున్నారు చెప్పండి 5 hours? Now along with this speed, steam will also be added to this one. And how much time is taking? Only 10 hours. అవునా కదా? Hence only 5 hours. And 5 hours లో అయిపోయింది. Then what is the speed here? 90 divided by 5, 18. Hence m plus 5s is 18. And m minus without that stream. Now what is the distance here? 10. Then if you subtract this one, 2s equals to 8. Then s equals to how much? 4 kilometers. And 4 kilometers per hour, that is choice 1. Then next one, question number 34. Now in this 34, there are some 6 persons. And they are seated around a circular table. 6 persons seated around a circular table. And they are facing outside. H sits out to the right of C. C is here, H is here. H is seated out to the right of C. A is not an immediate neighbor of P. P who sits second to the left of K. 3 persons between C and P. Now 3 persons between C and P. P can be here. Or what is the next possibility we have? 3 persons between C and P. C and H were like this. P can be here. Then A is not an immediate neighbor of P. H sits out to the right of C. A is not an immediate neighbor of P. A and P are not adjacent. And P who sits second to the left of K. P is sitting second to the left of K is not possible here because P is seated second to the left of C. And P is seated second to the left of K. K is here. A is not adjacent to P. A is here. Then who is the person left? O. Then how many persons are sitting between K and O? How many are there? Exactly 2. 2, that is choice 3, question number 34. సరిపోయిందా? Facing away from the center. అవునా కదా? Now these persons are facing away from the center. Now these persons are facing away from the center. Now there are 6 persons here. And H sits out to the right of C, C and H. C is away and right hand side. Then A is not an immediate neighbor. P sits second to the left of K. And 3 persons between C and P. 3 persons between C and P. And in the next case, now 3 persons between C and P. C is here, H is here. Then 1, 2, 3, P will be here. Then K sits. P who sits second to the left of K. P is seated second to the left of K, K is here. Now P is seated second to the left of K, hence C and K must be in the same place, not possible. Ante kada? And A is not adjacent, A is here. Then O will be here. Then how many persons in between K and O? Only 2 persons, because they are opposite to each other. As they are opposite to each other, you will always get only 2 people in between. Then question number 35. Now in this 35, 35 chesara? Ela chesaru. N cube minus 1. Now 124 is one such number, key number 63 and 26. What are these numbers? Now this 124 can be written as 5 cube minus 1, 4 cube minus 1, 3 cube minus 1, 2 cube minus 1, 1 cube minus 1. And next one is 6 cube minus 1, that is 215. Choice 2, question number 35. Then 36. Now there are some 7 persons sitting in a straight line facing towards which direction? North. And P is sitting at the center of the row, P is here. Then next, P is sitting between P and Q, there is only one person. There is only one person between P and Q. Q can be either to the left hand side of P or to the right hand side of P, Q can be here. And S sits second from the left corner. S is seated second from the left corner, here it is not possible because Q is here. Then, and between U and T only one person. And between U and T there must be exactly one person. And T sits at the right corner. T is here, U is here. R does not sit at any end, hence R is here. Then who is the person left over here? And V is the person left. How many are in between V and Q? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, that is choice 3, question number 36. Then in this 37, stationery, pencil and apple. Now pencil comes under group called stationery. Now this is pencil and this is stationery, and apple is a fruit, does not come under this stationery group. Hence what is the figure we have? That is choice 2 is the answer. The next one 38. Now in this 38, few May is July. Few May is July means some May is July. Now this is May and this is July, and some May is July, and all June is March. All June is March. Some July is June. Some July is June. And next one, all June is March. This entire June is a part of this March. Then first one, few May is June. May and June, there is no intersection between these two. May is here, June is here, no intersection. No July is March. No July is March, March is here, July. Some July is March is true. No July is March is false. Some March is June. Now March is here, June. Now some part of March belongs to June or not? Hence the third one. Only 3 follows. That is choice 4, question number 38. The next one 39. Now 39 chesara. Yes, anyone please 39. Now wrong alphabets in the following series. Now in this one, M and A. M and A, what is the difference between these two? 12. The value of M is 13, A is 1. Now here 23 and 15. Here the difference is how much? 8. Now 15 and 3, difference is 12. 20 and 8, difference is 12. 23 and 11, difference is 12. Except choice 2. The remaining are, the difference between the elements is 12. Here it is 8, that is the odd one, choice 1. Saripenda? Then 40th. Now question number 40. Then what will be the next one? Non-verbal series. Now in this series, then if you check out this arrow. Arrow from the first figure to the second figure, shifted by how many sides? One side. One side in the anti-clockwise. Next half a side. Next one side. Half a side. Next one side. One side arrow must be like this. Among the given choices, arrow at this place, ruled out in these two, now we are left with 2 and 3. Then coming to this dot. Now this dot from here to here, half a side. Next one side. Half side. One side. Next half a side. Half a side means at this place. Then what is your answer? Choice 2. Clear, this dot is moving in clockwise and this arrow is moving in the anti-clockwise, alternately half side and one side. Question number 40, that is choice 2. Then 41. Now in this 41, select the option which 2 clusters same as shared by the given pair. Now we need to find out the similar pair. Now P, F and K. P, F and K, and T, N and W. And P and T, what is the difference? 16 and 20, the difference is how much? Plus 4. And here 6 and 14, the difference is 8. 11 and 23, difference is 12. Now the difference between the elements is 4, 8 and 12. And similarly here 6 plus 4, 10, and 8 plus 8, 16, and 12 plus 14 plus 12, 26. Then what is your answer here? Choice 1, question number 41. The difference between the elements is 4, 8 and 12. Multiples of 4 are added. The next one, 42. 42nd, it is based on directions. X walked 15 meters south. Now this is the starting point. From here, this person walks 15 meters south, then turn left and walks 15 meters, again turn left and walks 15 meters. Now A is the starting point, B is the final point. Now B is in which direction with respect to A? Now Japan, how far in which direction is B with respect to A? Now the distance is how much? 15 meters towards east, choice 3. 42, choice 3. Then 43. Now 43 chesara. Now Simran told Rahul, and that girl is the youngest daughter of the brother-in-law of my friend's mother. Clear who is the speaker here? And Simran is the speaker. Now my friend's mother, that means this person, friend's mother. Friend is here, and friend's mother is A. Friend's mother's brother-in-law. Brother-in-law means A's brother-in-law. What are the different possibilities? Either spouse's brother, isn't it? Or sister's husband. Now this is friend and friend's mother, and friend's mother's sister is there, and sister's husband, again this person. And there you go. Now two possibilities we have taken for this brother-in-law. Friend's mother's brother-in-law's youngest daughter. Now this person's daughter. Okay? That girl is this person's daughter. And again, this person's daughter. Girl. Now in both the cases, how is the girl related to Simran's friend? Yes, what is the relation? Now this friend's father's brother, uncle's daughter, cousin. Now here again, friend's aunt's daughter is again cousin. In both the cases, we are getting cousin as the answer, choice 4. The next one, 44. Now in this 44, now we need to arrange all these according to the dictionary order. Now in the dictionary, tell me which element comes first. Now first time was MACA comes first. Now 2. 2 means either 2 or 4 choices. Next one after this, MACA, the next time was MACAR, that is 4. 2 and 4, that is choice 4. 44. Then coming to question number 45. Now in this 45, now we need to identify the mirror image to this one. Now tell me what is the mirror image here? Mirror image, this must be starting from the left hand side. And left hand side, this is rule out, this is rule out, this is rule out. Because this element must be along this line, along this side. Hence that is choice 3, 45. Then 46. Now 3 out of the following are following the same. That means, and 1 is the odd one, find out the odd one among this. Tell me what is your answer here. Retain, reserve, and withhold. These 3 are synonyms to each other. Now this is release means opposite to this retain. Hence choice 1, 46. And 47, and there are some 6 persons participated in a long jump competition. And how many persons? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then among these 6 persons, then each one of them covered different distance while jumping. Q jumps less than only 1 person. Now this Q is jumping less than only 1 person, but whereas more than the remaining. Hence Q must be at the second place. Follow here. Q అనేవాడు ఒక్కరికన్నా మాత్రమే తక్కువ, రిమైనింగ్ అందరికన్నా ఎక్కువ. And less than only 1. R jumps greater than only 2 people. R is greater than 2 people. And U jumps greater than P. U is greater than P but lesser than T. T did not cover the highest. T cannot be the highest. T is here, P is here, U is here. Now inka migilipoyinది cheppandi, P, Q, R, S is here. Then what is the rank of T in the competition from the last? 1, 2, 3. Fourth from the last, that is choice 3, question number 47. The next one 48. Now 48 చేశారు ఎవరైనా? 48 choice 4. Now how will you get 21? 3 into 4 and sorry 3 plus 4 7 into 3 21. Sum of the first two digits multiplied with the third digit. Now 7 plus 4 11. 11 into 6 66. Then here 8 plus 5 13 into 3 39. Then in this one 6 plus 3 9 into 8 72 should be the number. Here it is given as 74, that is odd one, choice 4 48. Then 49th one. Now 49 చేశారా? Now in this 49, now number starting with 32 ending with 15120. Numbers are increasing at a very faster rate. అవునా కదా? Now if you observe here 840 and 3360, this is into 4. అవునా కదా? 84 168 168 3360. Then from here to here, what is the number here? 4.5. 4.5 4, next one 3.5 3 and 3, and this is 2.5 into 2.5 into 3 into 3.5 80 into 3 240, choice 249. The next one, question number 50. Now in this 50, A means minus 144 minus 12, and B stands for plus 24, and D stands for divided by 4, and C stands for into 35, and B stands for plus 18. Then what is the value of this? Then in this first 24 divided by 4 is how much? 6. And 6 into 35 is how much? 210. అంతే కదా? 210. Now 210 plus 18, 228. Now 228 plus 144. 228 minus 12, 216. Now 216 plus 144. What is the number? 360, choice 1. Then, now this is about paper number 46, Ssc Chsl, reasoning section. Any doubts in these 25 questions?